Good morning, everyone. What was our discussion in last session? What was our discussion in last session? Very good morning. Are you people getting my voice? Thank you, Vritika. I think we have watched both the video, two videos on that day. Yes. So you can recall first video. I very much emphasize as a golden words which you need to remember from the first video. That's actually talking about how much difficulty or a challenges in the cyberspace, or you can say then the digital world. Then the second one was the special case of Stuxnet, how America and Iran for their nuclear movements, how America tried to stop it, hamper it through their own devices, especially designed for it. So, okay, we will move ahead from this. First of all, start. Present. So that was our discussion. Then Stuxnet, 60 minutes warfare. Now, I think from here we need to start why systems are vulnerable. So, have we discussed about the security and control? I don't think so. We have discussed it because unfortunately I was not able to mark it that day. Vitika? Yeah, thank you. So first we need to understand, even before it, what exactly the meaning of vulnerable or a vulnerability. What exactly the meaning of it? Anyone? Weak point to attack. Good. So now understand it from our behavioral point of view. आपने देखा होगा, okay, foreigners as well, so I will try to combination of Hindi and English. So you may have observed it, many houses, those who are having good entry gate, high security system, heavy locks, am I right? So many measures to protect any theft or any wrong entry. But when you look for the same houses, their let's say exhaust fan in wash areas or in kitchen areas or their grills, especially the wash area, kitchen areas exhaust, will not have any such security point, right? Easily anyone can break it, very easily. Even this is not only happen with the individual houses, this also happen with the national level. Do you people aware about the Pathankot attack in Punjab air base camp? Indian Pathankot attack by militant. नहीं है याद मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, तो कम से कम नहीं तो लिख सकते हो कि सर मुझे नहीं पता है. 2016 में जनवरी, हाँ जनवरी में ही हुआ था शायद. पठानकोट में इंडिया पठानकोट एयर फोर्स स्टेशन, जो वेस्टर्न कमांड का एक प्रकार से हेडक्वार्टर जैसा है, मुझे एग्जैक्टली तो नहीं पता, बट वहां पे मिलिटेंट्स ने अटैक किया. यस, एयरफोर्स ध्रुवी. देयर in this particular air force camp, high level of security, 24/7, high level of security, that too 24/7 always, because it's in a very dangerous area, dangerous in the sense very important area for the security reasons, so nobody can enter. Even the walls are very high, clear, high in the sense 20 feet 15 feet height walls, as well as after the walls you will find good fencing, that to electric fencing, so you can stop any illegal entries or illegal legal any entry you can protect. So there is the only entry gate through which you can enter in the premises. But these militants very easily, without any efforts, any challenge, any problem, what they have done, on the backside of this area there is a fence, again the wall, everything is there, but very close adjacent to the wall there was one tree. What they have done, they climbed the tree and jump into in the air force area that Pathankot came. So they don't find it out at even a single difficulty into it. Just imagine crores of rupees of investment for the security of that place, and militant entered without even any scratch in their body. Just climb the tree, very ordinary normal tree, clear, and from their own branches they directly jump to the that particular area easily, quickly, early in the morning side. अब मेरी ये बात समझ में आई बेटा? How many people have understood that you are having crores of rupees of investment for a security purpose, but you may miss a single point. So the intruders, those who are willing for illegal entries, those who want to harm you, They are not looking for any warm welcome at the main door. Their objectives are different. They will never expect that somebody will most welcome them at the main door and then they will have a very royal entry. That's not their objective. They are destructive mind. Their objectives were different. They deal or they prepare themselves for that only. But to they were not put it any you can say they don't they doesn't require any effort to break the wall, cut the fencing and all. Easily they have jumped and entered into it very easily without any you can say the difficulty. This is the one more example. So in personal life, now another example which we people do, whenever you download, nowadays everybody is having the addiction of selfies. I'm right. No question to ask whether you are addicted or not, but almost I am not pointing out to anyone. I'm just saying the society you will find the people are very much addicted to selfie, and nowadays not only the selfie via the camera, they use the various software to make it more attractive as well. So when you download such kind of a softwares in your mobile, that at the time of downloading that will ask for many permission. Hardly, that means out of 10,000, one or two people may look for what the permissions they are asking, whether I need to give those permissions or not, and based on not, they will not download the application. Very rare you will find the people. What we do, we search for the application, we found that it's looking good as per their own advertisement or image. You go for install. Once you go for install, it will ask various permission. Blindly even looking to it, what are the permissions that application is requiring, we just go for the next or okay or agree. Clear? In which what you are agreeing? You are agreeing to, you can easily look my contact list, you can easily look my SMSs, you can access to my gallery, so all video, audio, photos, you can have control over my camera, you can have access to my external memory, you can have a free access to my Wi-Fi or my internet connection. That means you are nakedly agree for everything. आइए, आपको जो करना है मेरे मोबाइल पे, जो भी चीजें यूज करनी है आप बिंदास करिए, इसको आप अपना ही समझिए. Kind of a freedom we give to those particular applications. Let me frankly know, do you people really given such permissions to any such applications? For any applications, I'm not saying about the photo video editing applications, for any applications, do you people allow? Vritika is saying yes. What about others? Okay, कुछ लोग करते हैं. Do you people know about the seriousness of it? That mobile, that application is saying they will use everything, and you are saying yes, okay, you can. Once you are saying yes, you can, it will never ask to you. It will use your own phone, your own net, your own camera, your own mic, everything for its own purpose. Own purpose in the sense they are hidden agendas as well. And once you are saying you can access to my contact list, that means not only you are putting others to in danger as well. Those mobile numbers saved in your mail, your account. I received 2-3 calls when my brother-in-law in Delhi that he has taken a XYZ amount of loan. If he is not going to repay, we will do XYZ kind of a thing, or you have to pay. I disconnected the phone, then again it came, I scold them a lot. Ultimately, 2-3 times that guy approached, then again I approached to the police, then I stopped it. How they received, how they got contact of my number? From stealing the contact list of my brother-in-law's phone. ये समझ में आया? अगर फॉरेनर ना हो तो हम हिंदी को भी यूज कर सकते हैं, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. No, we need to use English because, yeah. Okay, so I hope you people are also understanding what I exactly want to say. May I get any confirmation from others as well? Yes. So that is called the vulnerability. So it doesn't mean, even you can say, let's say in the case of corona, how muscles powerfully you are strong, it doesn't mean that your immunity is also same level of high. Am I right? Many renowned players, international players of football, tennis, badminton, they got affected, and even they seriously face so many issues in the body as well. Am I right? In India as well, so many players now they are recovering, but it doesn't mean that it will not happen. Even I think troll is going on with Akshay Kumar as well, a fit man of India. So I don't want to involve into in that, you can say, the political dimensions. I just want to say that you need to be protect holistically from all the grounds. Then only it is possible. Let's say somebody is using the Apple mobile phone and downloaded a third party kind of application which may have the malicious things, because Apple also checked at many point of time and in many stages. Is still, if you download it by giving the extra warning from the Apple, still you download it given the permission, then who is putting the you can say the system in danger? You yourself. So it's up to you as well what kind of a system you are using. I think so. This term vulnerability is quite clear. Shall we move? Okay. So the systems are vulnerable. So security, that means what kind of a precautions you are going to make. So policy, procedures, technical measures used to prevent unauthorized access, alteration, theft, or physical damage to information. What kind of a measures you have? What kind of your planning? Because once you are entering into in 0-1 world, these things are obvious. These are not the very special case. These things are very much obvious. You have to prepare yourself. Clear? So what kind of a security things you have prepared? For example, you know there are virus in the system. So it's your responsibility to protect your system through the genuine antivirus. Clear? What policy measures you have? Then the control. What kind of a method, policies, organizational procedures that ensure safety of organizations' assets, accuracy and reliability of its accounting records, and operational adherence to management standard. That means what kind of a mechanism you have to identify, control, even you can start from prevent, identify and control of such kind of a vulnerable efforts in your system. जैसे अभी आज मैंने डाला था, today morning I posted 2 images. The second one is related to the Upstock. I hope you people have gone through it. That is related to it. They identified something has happened. They are working on it, and they shared that detail as well. So here we discuss about the main categories of threats to information system. Whenever you are having the large amount of data that is stored digitally, which is happening in the current time in the globally, not only in India, the computers or a servers and in databases, they are vulnerable. That means जैसे आपने जो first video देखा था उसमें in a first video they mentions the one thing, America is highly vulnerable country, reason they are highly connected. Same is going to happen with India. We are having so many NAT connections or mobile devices, internet enabled mobile devices. So as many devices are growing, that's again putting the country into in danger in terms of the cyber crimes or threats. That's happening as well. Every day, every time, it's happening. So you can say the outcome or outputs are already shown in this small journey as well. So accessibility of network, how you are accessing to network, there as well you will find what kind of a tool, what kind of connections you are using. Then hardware problem, or you can say the breakdown or a configuration error, damage from improper use, or a crime. That's also one kind of a you can say the threats is possible. Then software problem, that means a programming error, installation error, unauthorized changes, that means those changes you are not requested but those changes happens. Then disasters, as in the second video, the Iran nuclear plant, that's disaster. Another disaster in a first video, the Pentagon, America's military headquarters, Pentagon's data is stolen and regularly 14 months and they were not aware. 14 महीने तक उनका डेटा निकालते रहे और उनको पता ही नहीं था. Then use of network or a computer outside of a firm's control. That means somebody has taken control over your system. I hope you people have watched the Indian movie Robot of Rajnikant Aishwarya Rai. Is there anyone who has watched that movie? किसी ने नहीं देखा है? चलिए भाई, ये तो आश्चर्य हुआ. Surprising that no one of you. Yeah, Zaidullah, I can understand yours, but nobody has watched the Robot movie of Rajnikant Aishwarya Rai. It's unbelievable. Just a minute. Oh, sorry. Loss and theft of portable devices related to their uses or the damages the person can, or that these softwares can have to those devices. Then this is the contemporary, you can say, the threats related to the various point. Just look into the picture first, the upper side, then we will discuss the lower one. What kind of a things we have learned and what kind of a things are there. Yes, want to say something? Harsh? Harsh? ये मैंने मैसेज करने के लिए टाइम नहीं दिया है बेटा, हर्ष बेटा, ये मैंने इसको रीड करने के लिए टाइम दिया है, बिकॉज यू कैन कनेक्ट इट. Shall we start discussion? So initial stage, the beginning, I hope you may be aware about. First thing, as we people, we are either a client or a user. What we do? We use laptop, mobile, desktop, tablets, so many other devices to get connected. For that connection, we use the wireless connections provided by the various service provider. Right? Maybe Airtel, BSNL, Idea, or GTPL, or someone else. Right? In the wired form or in a wireless kind of a form, that we get connected. Once we are connected, we are able to access the server related data, the data which are available on server, and that server will get connected with the center or corporate server and the database to cross check and the recheck of all those things. So that is the connection, natural form of connections of uh, in this particular internet connectivity, the architecture kind of a thing. Now, if you as a user are going to use you can say the device which are not well protected, That again will get the disturbance in the overall system, or the virus may enter into a system. So one thing is possible, the user is not a legitimate user, right user, genuine user. So unauthorized access, that's the one point. Or errors may occur, or errors may also occur, that's the one point. Second one, the line which you are, or the way you are connected. So if you are using the lines that is not well protected, for example, you may be aware about in an old fashioned time the electricity line. I hope every one of you here have seen certain level of the you can say the electricity damage to the department, or stealing of electricity by unauthorized connection. So it's a naked wire. Anybody use the a pole, a wooden pole, or a stick, a long stick, and then they will hang the wire and use the electricity, because it's nakedly flowing. So there is no you can say the code word something, anything is required. Clear? But when it comes to the phone line, old fashioned form, when we were having the landline phones, these lines are also going in that naked form. So if anybody can put their wire into in that particular phone and get parallel connection as well, that easy was the thing. Now not that much, but again the theft is also not that much easy. So if your line is not that much protected, clear, in that case somebody may tap what exactly you are doing. So the things which are displayed on your device, they may also displayed on other device. Sniffing, they may listen what exactly you are doing, they may check what exactly you are planning, everything they may have. Then the message alteration, that is the huge threat, hardly people were aware about it. So if they are in the loop or in the line, or they are having certain connections at the server level, then they can alter the message in between. Let's say I'm sending you a text message, and if they are in the loop and my connection is breakable, then in between, before message reach to your mobile, somebody may alter it. Those who are from India, they may be knowing that Pramod Mahajan, the India's telecom minister at the time of Atal Bihari Vajpayee government. He is the person who announced or who aware the Indian people about the Pokhran nuclear test. ये वो पर्सन थे जिन्होंने सबसे पहले न्यूज को ब्रेक किया था, मतलब गवर्नमेंट के साइड से अनाउंस किया था इस चीज को. Why I'm recalling him? Because he was killed by his elder brother, and that time in the hearing, various you can say the conversation in Supreme Court, their lawyers demonstrated in Supreme Court that the message is also altered before it reached to you. They demonstrated in the court itself. So that is also possible. And as I said, in the various movie, especially one of the movie by Ajay Devgan of Honor Killing, there they demonstrated these things as well. So there as well. Then theft and fraud. So today's message, the second post which I posted on the WhatsApp, the upstock related, the data thefts, they may steal your information. I hope you people have gone through that particular image as well. So that theft or a fraud is possible. Then the radiation as well, they can alter the particular details. Now moving towards the corporate server. In corporate server, might be possible they may hack the server so that the your server will not be in your control. Then malware, they may have malicious programs, those who are having their own hidden agenda and then work. Then theft and fraud, again upstock is the example, which is you can say steal the employee customers data. Vandalism, again purposeful destruction. Vandalism means purposeful, knowingly destroying or damaging the property or the devices, server, whatever you can call. That is also there. Then denial of service attack. Do you people know this word, denial of service attack? Denial of service attack, you can take the example which you may be aware about. That is, when you log into different websites, let's say website related to bank, income tax department, IRCTC website for ticket booking, flight booking, or various other websites, or even sometimes you are searching on Google as well. That time you will find another request from the websites that please enter the following CAPTCHA code, or they will display one image, a different you can say a matrix of image, and then you will have to select, let's say, a pole, vehicles, or crossroad, such kind of things. Does you have experience of it, any one of you? Do you people have any such experience? Yes. So these are the prevention actually. These are the preventions from the denial of service attack. That means, for example, Marwadi University server. As per the student capacity of Marwadi University, let's say Marwadi University server is capable to handle 10 requests per second. 10 requests per second. So per minute, 600 student can approach to the Marwadi server to check their attendance, books related detail, website, whatever it may be. Let's say if 6,000 students approach, then server will take time. 6,000 to 60,000 people at the 1 second and the same time approach, then obviously server will crash. It will not be in a position to respond all the people. These things happens positively. These things happens in CAT exam result, big billion day sales, I think 2 3 years back in Flipkart. These are the positive kind of example. But sometimes through the artificial softwares or through the various robotic treatment, people may stop your server by putting unnecessary excessive command. If you are using IRCTC websites, that's also many times request you to put the CAPTCHA code. That CAPTCHA code is actually to identify, yes, you are a genuine person. That's only the reason, to identify, yes, you are a genuine person, and then it will allow you to work. Clear? समझ आया? That's why they use it. So they try to protect through this human intervention. That means they will put certain code, very difficult to identify. So you need to use your closed eyes, then check what are the images there, what are the words is there, what combination they are requiring. So they will prevent their server from such kind of a attack where someone is trying to collapse the server of the particular company. Similar things happens with the corporate system as well, where the theft of data, copying data, altering of data, hardware failure. The in a last class, the second video, Stuxnet, that's the hardware failure, and then the software failure as well. So whatever in your mind, that way you will destroy it, disturb it. Clear? We will continue our discussion in a upcoming session whenever we have the next session. Okay, this is all for the day.